saying? I came in ugly, but look, I'm leaving out clean. Clean, bro. Look,
oh yeah, an unbelievable transformation. So this is what I consider a late night cut. And this is around 8 o'clock. Well, really 8:15, 8:30. My son and I just got back from Rayford. He have karate practice Monday through Wednesdays. Every day, 6:30 through 7:30. But Freddie, he needed a cut. So, you know, here we are in the barbershop. He about to explain how he want his cut. I want y'all to listen to all of this because this is the most important part. When your client asks for something specific, for a specific haircut service, make sure you listen to everything in detail. Here we go.
oh yeah, definitely. I've never really let nobody touch my beard before. I've let one other artist, and let me see, a God bless woman that I met along the way. You know what I'm saying, at a barber shop one day. She's on she's over there on Morganton or something like that.
Pretty sure.
Yeah, she's a nice little lady. She did a good little job, you know what I'm saying? I just really didn't have her do much. I just had her, what the old lineup was, it's probably like 2.5 months. I've been letting it I usually cut it myself. This is probably like 4 weeks, 4 or 5 weeks, this fade right here. So, and all I had her do, like I said, was just quick little lineup, though. It really is.
So today what we're gonna do, we're gonna be doing a little bit of doctoring. I mean, you just wanna keep it simple, so I'm not even gonna do too much. I'm just gonna keep it exactly where you want it. I'm gonna be focusing more on the taper right here, and I'm gonna be focusing on blending right in here. Okay, I'm gonna focus on that. You wanna keep his length, you don't really want to chop that down. I'm gonna take some of that bulk off his mustache, not too much. You want to do it? You don't know?
Oh yeah, definitely bulk off the mustache, because yeah, you line that up too, because I do not like it over my lip.
Keeping all this filled in, right? With the hair, right in there. All right, so that's what I do. Every time that I ask my clients what they want, I specifically ask them what they want. Like, I don't cut around those edges. It doesn't matter if they're new or old. I always ask the same questions because you never know. People have the right to change their mind. So you being a barber, just don't give the client what you see them as unless they give you free reign, unless they give you creative control over their haircut. That's the only way you do what you see. But other than that, we're here for them, okay? So always remember that. So we're gonna start off by basically, I was gonna start off with these, but I'm not. I'm gonna start off with these and just getting some of the bulk off. So the first thing I do, I take my one guard and I just do some freelancing, freehanding with the clippers all the way open and just debulking some of the beard, just giving it a natural fade all the way across. Then I take my GDARs, and a lot of people sleep on these GDARs, and I'm gonna leave a link in the description below. They're really good for shadowing and fading and blending. I mean, I love my GDAR, especially for my shadow fades. But anyway, I go back to my BaBylissPROs, and I start basically just fading more, and I'm using my half guard as you see, and I'm notching. I'm going back and forth with my notching as you can see, and I'm just fading. I'm fading up and I'm fading down a little bit, but I'm more so fading up just to get that blend and that even consistency. Okay, and that's the main important thing, just to get that crucial blend in. I'm doing some more blending, more feathering, and as you see, that taper, the fade is starting to come in and it's starting to blend in even better. I go over the mustache with a 1 and I just go with the grain, okay? Now I take my Babyliss trimmers and now I start to detail that taper. And as I said in one of my prior videos, I use my clippers like a paintbrush. As you see, I am definitely painting with this fade. Okay, it's looking good, looking really good. All right, take your time, trust the process, and as you can see, we have a nice little taper right there. Okay, nice taper. Spray your spritz, you know, cover your client's face. You know, I like to use the blow dryer sometimes, and sometimes I just like to let it air dry. So now we're gonna come back with our Babyliss trimmers, I have my gold ones right now, and we are shaping up that beard, okay? It's still a little bulky right there, but we're gonna get back to that later. I taper his neck, not taper his neck, but I get his nape line. Make sure that you're dusting off the hair. So we're going back. Now we're going to touch the top of the beard with the trimmers. Now be very careful. Every side is a little different. Don't be afraid to use different trimmers like I've mentioned before. I'm using my gold ones and then I switch to my silver ones. Now you don't want to be too heavy on your client's face because you don't want to scar anything, okay? Remember, you don't want to scar. We're cutting the hair, we're not cutting the skin, all right? As you can see, that's real sharp, no enhancements. That's just straight work, straight blend, straight edge, as you can see. He's already transforming right in front of your eyes, okay? He's starting to get the little rust look now, all right? So be very careful whenever you trim it. And I'm doing it very lightly, as you can see, okay? As I mentioned before, I go back and forth with my gold and my silver trimmers, all right? Never be afraid. So as you can see, we have a nice, almost finished product. We just feathering out, just detailing, getting some more blends in, getting some more blurry effects in. I call this my sauce. This is my sauce. This is how I get it in, all right? So, as you can see, I'm just using the corner of my ceramic blade just to get those sharp lines in. I'm getting them in very detailed, as you can see. The hair and not the skin, okay? You see? Look at that. Real natural. And we just, going in on the other side just to make sure everything. So let's hear the reaction. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. And you feel, look, I just look. Fire. Heck yeah, fire, bro. Heck yeah, man. Back in full effect. Starting tomorrow, man. It's a whole new week, look.
You could even wear your hair like that at work if you wanted to.
Right.
On the top. Let them know.
Look.
Let them know, though, Freddie. Let them know, Freddie.
That's that island swag. Look. They don't know about that. You did it right, man. Look.
Wow.
Yep, and it's about another 2 weeks.
And fill in the way you want it.
My joints grow fast.
Yeah.
Like real fast. Like, bro, 2-3 months. Like, I cut this off. In 2-3 months, I already have like good little hang time. Like probably like right here.
Oh man.
Like I have a good one. But look, man, I like it a lot, man. I really appreciate it, bro. Fire. Yes, put me back in the game. Yes, sir.
How did you feel about the service?
Man, I really enjoyed it, man. For real, I really did. Yes, very lit, man. Yes, sir.
On there, right quick for you.
I don't know about these new kids, man, but I'm really with that. Like, yeah, man. $1,000, man.
Shout out your city.
You know what I'm saying? Juanica PR, you already know. Vamos cello. It's your boy Freddie P, baby. You know what I'm saying? Big love to Philip, man. You know what I'm saying? Philip, you know what I'm saying? Big love. You know what I'm saying? Big shout out. Come holla at your boys, man. You see how, you know what I'm saying, I came in ugly, but look, I'm leaving out clean, bro. Look, God bless the hands. God bless the hands, bro.
Thanks again for watching this unbelievable transformation. Bro went from Roosevelt to Russ. Hey, if you're listening to me on the airways, check me out on YouTube. I'm LitCut HD, LITCUTZ HD, everywhere. Oh yeah, you like the music you heard in the background? They also call me Foreign Fargo music. Look me up. FOREIGGN FARGOMUSIC. Look me up. I'm everywhere. Thanks again for watching. Make sure you subscribe. I'm out. Ooh, tasty. Really tasty.